So we exist to help our customers produce the best quality caravans for their customers, and it all starts with a chassis. We want to give our customers the best foundation for them to grow their business. So Intelligent Engineering is a company that builds caravan chassis for the caravan market. We build for trailers, for campers. We manufacture a very high quality chassis for the caravan industry, and our main focus is the safety that we provide, the reliability that it gives, the longevity of our product, the backup service that we would be able to offer. That's what sets us apart, and that's what Intel Engineering is all about.
So we are not quantity driven. We are driven by better processes, better quality, better timeframes. The quality is not something we trade out for quantity. We ensure that we've got the appropriate staff count for the appropriate tasks, times, so that we can have the appropriate quality. Anybody who's ever seen an Intel chassis, and we invite you to go have a look at it, Intel chassis is industry-leading chassis. The welding quality, there's certain techniques we use, there's certain steel we use, there's certain gas we use, there's welding machines we use to ensure that the employee has the best opportunity to produce the best product because he's got the best foundation. Intel chassis is also always testing ourselves, ensuring that is what we do what we should be doing. We want to be giving our customers exactly what it is they need.
We work very closely with our clients. We listen to their needs. We absolutely take everything into consideration. They give us design ideas, design briefs, and we try and build their dream or their product, and we need to complement what they would like to project or offer to the market. We help and assist in every way possible, to make them achieve that. We use a takt time system implemented in our business. A takt time is the rate at which we need to produce a product to meet our customers' demands. The product moves forward rather than one person building a product. The product has a certain rate of time that it works in, and then it moves to the next stage.
It's the way to reduce the dependency on the staff to know the entire product. Also, training and recruiting and quality process control is significantly easier. So it's broken into 6 stations, where each and every one of these stations are responsible for their own quality checks.
Currently, we're sitting at around 30-35 minutes to produce a chassis. So every 35 minutes, the chassis is rolling out the door. So we produce around 60 chassis a week at the moment, and we are well on our way to our target of getting to 100.
We have a very close relationship with the suppliers. They often come out, take them around in the factory. I do all the supply chain, make sure that we are ahead of time to 4 to 5 weeks, make sure that everything's on time, at the right spot in the factory. The reason we plan so well is to make sure that there's always enough supply in our shelves, that production can keep going. So that's why we're planning 4 to 5 weeks ahead, and we try to keep everything as smooth as possible so everyone can keep working as easy as possible.
We are a company that's very proud to send our products out, knowing that we use the best that is available in the industry. We deal with industry leaders in the market, making sure that we can provide the best possible quality. Along with our supply chain and along with dealing with industry leaders, we're very proud to supply some of the biggest names in the industry. One of our customers is probably up there with the largest in the industry, and we supply them with every single chassis. We build for a wide variety of customers and a wide variety of needs, different market segments. So I'm also proud to announce that we are ROVO approved with the Road Vehicle Transport Act of Australia. This allows us to provide trailers and manufacturing all the way up to 4.4 ton to cover all the needs for everyone as far as trailer building is concerned.
Over the last few years, Intel has used ISO 9001 as a big inspiration factor for our quality. Now, if anybody understands what ISO means, it means that what you order is what you get, and that is guaranteed. By doing the takt time system, by doing quality processes throughout the factory, we can ensure that what we say you're going to get is what you are going to get. We are very, very close to being ISO 9001 approved, and in the coming months, we will be. over years and years of seeing what the industry expects in the product and how we develop that is a core foundation that we use to be able to design our products. Now, all of our stuff is designed in-house. We can see how this thing comes together on IronCAD. Each and every aspect can be amended and changed to the shape and form that we need it to be. That has taken us to the next level where we can design in 3D, actually see our products before they enter production. Now, the steel we buy is 450 MPa, so it's a very strong high density steel. It is designed and engineered in Australia and is received here. When it comes to suspensions, we fit industry-leading suspensions. We fit many various types of suspensions by the likes of Tough Ride, Cruisemaster, Alco, Alpha. We've used a lot of these suspensions. We are governed by the customer order. The guys on the factory floor is very comfortable to install any type of suspension. We do train our employees. We make sure that they know what they're doing as best as they can and that we don't leave that on the back bar. We want to ensure that the product is built to the highest of standards.
Whoever wants to get any qualified about the airbag or any mechanical or any about the forklift driving and stuff like that, whatever they need, the company provided. Working with Intel, it's amazing. It's amazing. There is a lot of things like they're very sensitive. The way that we talk, they're very sensitive about the culture of the factory, the people that employ. It's amazing. It's just very nice and calm environment here.
Intel is helping with training and development. Every time there's training, because we do rotations, so they have the opportunity to do the different skill. The environment is tidy and clean, and all the people are like a family oriented. And also, it's a little bit of challenge too, because it's also not the same every day. The people I work with is very supportive, especially Terence. He's very kind.
What culture means to us is living our values, and that's pretty much what we stand for. I think culture is truly everything to any company, but for us here, our core values: respect. Come in, respect each other. Be humble. Humility to each other is no compromise. The other important core values would be collaboration. We're a diverse team here. In manufacturing especially, we have all walks of life. Lots of opinions, lots of skill sets here and mindsets, but we embrace it. And from then on, we can collaborate together, and that's what we really foster that. And last, our integrity. You know, no matter what it is, let's have integrity in every one of us, with our people, our products, the process that we're going through. You know, with everyone, it's all about respect, collaborating with each other, and integrity.
The quality is not only in the product, but it's in the relationships with the people. So we have a very open door policy at Intel. Everybody meets on the same standard and at the same level. People have that respect level across the board for one another. And they understand that that is the culture here. We use it as a foundation. So that value we place on our employees is very high up on our list.
Obviously, our plans are to grow our innovation, to leave a mark in the industry. We want to leave a well-entrenched standard. We'd like to become the benchmark in the caravan industry for caravan chassis, to the point where we would honestly want to leave a legacy behind. Depending on the market size and what's available, we might be moving soon into a bigger factory and a more impressive factory. Let's see what the future holds. It's great to know that somebody's adventure or their dream actually starts with us, and that we're the ones building the chassis. It's really awesome when you're driving on the highway and a caravan comes past you and you say, oh, there's the chassis we built, and you see how well it performs on the road. It's fantastic.